I was sent a box of closet organizers. I'm going to show you how to use them and how they help your closet space. So I've done this one already. I'll do a demo with this really pretty pink one. So you get all these different colors. So right here, this bottom part, you're going to take it over here where there's like a little ridge. This is a little bit flexible, so you just kind of get it to slide on there. You may have to open it up a little bit. So once you got it on there, you can hear it click. Then you're going to slide it, and you can slide it up to the top. You have two ways to hang it. You can hang it like this, or you can keep sliding this. And there's a little ridge here, and you can hang them like so. All right, so now let's take it to the closet and see what it looks like. So we're in my daughter's room. We're going to try this out. So I'm just hanging it on, and I'm just going to take different pieces that we already have hanging and add to it. So it creates kind of that waterfall cascade of clothing to save you space. So if you want to do it the horizontal way, you're just going to put it right there and then start hanging. You actually have enough room to place multiple pieces of clothing per slot. We definitely jam our closets in this house. So anything that gives us more closet space is a good thing. So with it horizontal, you can see how much more you can fit in your closet space, especially if you have multiple ones next to each other. It does clear up a lot of space. And then you also can do it vertically like so and have a lot more space as well. So definitely gonna be a big help to keeping our closet space more tidy.